Best clear braces. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Byte Clear Braces app. Byte comprises a team of doctors and orthodontists to provide the complete picture of your treatment. They will take your mouth's entire scenario instead of teeth and guide you about the best possible solutions. Candid Invisible Braces app. By using this excellent app, you can have quick access to your 3D pictures of teeth. Professional doctors and orthodontists are available within an affordable range. You can consult daily and track the limited 6 months timing of your treatment. SmileDirectClub app. If you want to smile with an open mouth and show your teeth perfection, you must install this app in your phone and get a ton of treatment. Duration depends on your teeth condition, and it's amazing to find a doctor in 24 hours because of this app. AlignerCo app. This app will help you smile better within an affordable range. It offers 3 to 11 months of treatment, and you can manage to get your query solved within a few hours. The team will listen to you and will provide you with the solutions while sitting at home. Invisalign app. This app is the simplest and the effortless up till now. You can buy this app without any worry and consult your medical provider without any hassle. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.